Good morning. Today is Abeka Kindergarten lesson 69. We're going to start with your vowels. Let's sing the vowel song. A says a, E says I says I, O says U says Now I know my vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Let's go over the back real quick. Just say the sounds. I, a, ah. Okay, now we're going to go over the rule we learned yesterday for reading words that have one vowel in them. Do you remember what that is? If a word has one vowel, it usually says its short sound. And what mark do we put above the vowel when it makes a short sound? Do you remember? Since there's one vowel here in this first word, we're going to give it a little smiley face on top. Now let's read that word together. Fog, fog. Okay, now the next one is mat, mat. Since there's one vowel and it says it's short sound, we'll give it the smiley face on top. That little smiley face means it's a short vowel. Okay, we have two more to read. Pin. All right, that's another short vowel. We'll give it a smiley face. Okay, last one. Hum. Since there's one vowel in that word, it says it's short sound. Okay, now we're going to do some of these on the bottom like we did yesterday. They're puzzles and we gotta find which vowel goes in the middle. This one has two vowels. They all have two vowels to put there. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's try it with the E and then we'll try it with the U. Egg, teg, tug. Tug or tag? It's tug. Okay, let's do the next one. Him, or is it hum? Him or hum? It's him. We use the I. Okay, one more at the bottom. Pad, pad, or pud. Pad or pud? A, pad. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to teach you a little bit about how to spell. See what we're doing here? When we say the letters T-U-G, we're spelling the word. Now we're going to spell a few words together. Now, if I want to make the word cat, we start with k. So I have a C, k. Now, what letter do we need to go next for cat? At. Sounds like there's three sounds. We have the k, we need the sound. What letter makes the sound? A. I bet you said A. That is right. Cat. Cat. Now what letter do we need next to finish our word? T. What letter makes the T sound? T. C-A-T. We have spelled cat. Okay, now we're going to do two more words. We're going to try and spell two more words. Okay, now we're going to try bed. Let's spell the word bed. Okay, what's the first sound in bed? B. B for bed. Here's the B. Now what do we need next? There's how many sounds in the word bed? Let's count them. B, E, D. 3. So what comes next after the B? B, E, bed. Now we need a D to make the word bed. Okay, one more word we're going to spell. Let's try spelling the word run. What do we need to start run with? Run. What makes the sound? What letter? R. What makes the sound? What vowel? U. One more sound to finish our word. Run. Run in. Now we have spelled the word run. Okay. Good. Now I'm going to let you do your page 59 in your, I forget what it's called. Letters and Sounds. That's what it is. Letters and Sounds book, page 59. It says here, circle the beginning letter for each word. What is this? This is a quilt. So the beginning sound is qu. Which one of these makes the qu sound? You circle that one. Okay, and then down here, number 2, it says, circle the letter that completes each word. What is this? This is a bed. So here they have the blend be. Now, which one of these do you need to finish the blend be in order to make the word bed? That's what you do on the bottom. And this has nothing on the back, so that's all for that. Now I will give you your writing with phonics page for today. Let me see if you have, you have some seat work today. Start with your phonics. You can read these words and then trace them and then write them yourself here beside them. That is page 74 in your Writing with Phonics. That's your only page in Writing with Phonics today. Now let's do your numbers. Let me get my pointer pencil. Let's count to 100 together first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You say the 50s. $60, $61, $62, $63, $64, $65, $66, $67, $68, $69, $70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. One more row. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now we're going to count to 100 again, but not by ones. We're going to count by tens, and we're going to see how much faster it goes when we count by tens than if we count by ones. Let's start counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. See, it goes much faster to count by tens than to count by ones. Okay, now we're going to practice your numbers flashcards. Let's say some of these. What is this number? 60, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 61, 89, 90. Now for the next 5, I'm going to let you say them on your own. Okay, what is this one? 51, 42, 43, 44, 52, 53. I'm going to let you do the next 5. $77, 69, 78, 79, 70, 45, 80, 71. Okay, now you're going to do the next 5 and then we're almost done. Okay, 27, 18, 28, 72, 73, 29, 30, 54, 55, 49, 64, 67. Oh, that's not one. 7, 36, 2. Last one. What is that? 37. Okay, now I'm going to have you grab a pencil and paper or a whiteboard with a marker, and I'm going to have you write some numbers down. Are you ready? You might pause this video and get yourself some paper and pencil if you need to. Okay, the first number I'm going to give you is 13. Can you write down 13? Next number is 5. Write down 5. The next one is 18. Write down 18. Okay, 2 more numbers I will give you. 10. The number 10. And now, last one, number 9. Number 9. Okay, if you're done with those, I'm going to show you what the number looks like, and you see if it matches the numbers you made on your paper. Ready? The first number I gave you was this one, number 13. The second number you should have is this one, number 5. Okay, the third number I gave you was 18. The next one is number 10. And the last one on your paper should be this, number 9. All right. Now I'm going to give you, well, you probably have it, but I will let you now do your paper. Let me see. Let's put something behind it so you can see it better. Page 69 in your number skills. Oh, no. Page 54 in your number skills book. Oh, yeah, it's a Christmas tree. Huh, that's cute. Okay, it says write 1, 2, and 3 to show which happened first, next, and last. And then it says, what time is it? And you can tell the time and write it down below. Here also. Here it says trace and write. You trace these numbers, and then you make the numbers on this side. Down here it says color the ornaments with 80 family numbers red. Color the other ornaments blue. So if the numbers are in the 80s family on that tree, paint them red, color them red, and if they're any other number, color them blue. Okay, that's it for your number skills today. Now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about things in order, which it might help you with knowing how to do this too. So here's a picture, 3 pictures actually. Now which one of these do you think this little girl did first? When she went to go brush her teeth, which one of these do you think she did first? Did she brush her teeth first? What's she doing here? She's putting toothpaste on her toothbrush. Did she do that first? Or did she pick up her toothbrush first? Which one do you think this little girl did first? Well, she can't brush her teeth unless she picks up her toothbrush. So I think the first thing this little girl did was pick up her toothbrush. Next, she would have put some toothpaste on her toothbrush next. And then the last thing she did was brush her teeth. Now, same thing here. We'll go over it one more time. What about this little boy? It looks like he went to make himself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But which one of these pictures did he do first? Well, I got him in order and I didn't even mean to, huh? First, he gets the bread out. Next, he puts peanut butter and jelly on the pieces of bread. Then he puts them together. And the last thing he does is eat it. That's how we know what happened in order. First, next, and last. Okay, I'm gonna ask you something here. I'm gonna tell you what Joshua did when he went out to play. Listen carefully so you can answer my questions. First, Joshua played with his dog. And then he rode his bike. And the last thing he did was play ball with his friend Todd. So what did Joshua do first? The first thing he did was play with his dog. And what's the next thing he did? He rode his bike. And one more, the last thing he did, what was it? Do you remember? He went to play ball with his friend Todd. Okay, so now you have a page from your Think and Learn book, page 42. It looks like this, and this is the page you will do today. I'll read it here to you here so you know how to do this page. Write the number to tell what happens first, next, and last. Okay, so if we look here, we see 3 pictures. What's happening here? It looks like a little boy is standing next to a big sunflower. This, we can see a little boy watering a little plant. And on this one, it looks like a little boy is digging in the dirt. Which one of these pictures do you think happened first? Do you think there's a big flower first? I don't think so. I don't think that's what would come first. So what happens first? The first thing that happens is you'd have to dig the hole. First, you have to dig the hole to put the seed in. See there? If you look close, you can see he's dropping a tiny seed into the hole he just dug. What happens after you put the seed in the hole? Do you know? Next thing that happens is we have to water the seed so it can grow. Which one of these shows the boy watering? So we know he plants it first. He waters it second. And what's the last thing that happens? The plant grows big. Now, I'll let you look at these photos, these 3 pictures on the bottom, and you can write what comes first, second, and last. You can write 1, 2, and 3 in the box. The first thing that happens, put a 1. Second thing that happens, you can put a 2. And the third thing that happens, you can put a 3. Oh, I almost forgot about your reading for today. Do you remember this book you got out yesterday with your name on it? My Blended Word Book. Let's get that out and read page 10, starting at page 10 to page 15. Na, ne, ne. Whoopsie, my camera keeps focusing on it, huh? Ne, na, na, da, de, da, d, e, de, d, a, da. Now, if you want to, you can pause this and read your book or read this book and then come back and I'll help you read it together. He, ha, he, ha, ha. Sa, saw, se, se, sa. Okay, now we're going to do these 2 and then we'll be done with the blends in this book and we'll move on to a few words to read. You can pause this if you need to read it and then I'll help you read it after you try. Ka, Ki, ka, ke, ka, de, ki, na, sa, ka. Okay, nicely done. Now we're going to go to page 32 and 33. Starting on page 32, we're going to read these words together. Here it is if you need to pause it to read it yourself. Now I will help you read it. Rug, rug. Lug, lug. Nip, nip. Pad, pad. Mitt, mitt. When there's two consonants at the end of the word, you don't have to say it 2 times. You don't have to say t, t. You just say it 1 time. Mitt. Gas, gas. Mud, mud. Cap, cap. Yes, yes. Last one. Nut, nut. Okay, it looks like we're done for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.